Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today I am here and actually I make video, practicing video. So that's why I came here, and every day, every morning time I came here and make videos. Okay, and as you can see, this is a fully village type. Okay, so and here some water. This area very nice, neat and clean. And as you can see, this is a airport area, and this is a railway station for close to me. Okay, I will go here. Okay, and as you can see, this is a very nice. Okay, so as you can see, I actually today's the sun not visible. Actually, when I came here and I see the sun, but today's not visible the sun. Okay, so come to our main point. Actually, this is my practicing video. So right or wrong doesn't matter, and I don't know how to say what I say, but I know where I am going. Okay, so don't worry, brother. Uh, uh, don't worry, brother. Every day just listening, every day just practice. No compromise, no shy. Okay, because actually I am very shy person. Okay, I am very shy person. So that's why every day I try uh, uh, record my video. Okay, and I record my improvement every day. Okay, so don't worry. Don't worry. Every day just practice must be. Every day we have to practice every day. Okay, and here, as you can see, this is very, I don't know these meanings. Okay, so this is my favorite place, and this is a airport area. Okay, and this is my favorite place. As you can see, this is a rail line. Okay, as you can see. Okay, my brother, actually I am very shy person. Okay, but I try all time public place go and make video. Okay, this is a public place, and here some people. Okay, but I don't stop my record video. Okay, I'm trying there close go. Okay, actually I am very nervous because here some people, okay, come and go, and okay, actually I am very shy person. Okay, and I am very shy person. As you can see, here are some people gossiping. Okay, and here some rickshaw puller man. Okay, and this is a railway station, Bimanbandar railway station, as you can see. And here some people play cricket and play football, as you can see. And every day here play cricket and play football, okay, because this weather very nice and very clean, okay, so that's why here come and practice English speak, practice like play football, like and play cricket, okay. And as you can see, this is a public place. Actually every day I try talk public place, okay, so that's why I came here, because I want to really remove my shyness, because my shyness cannot improve my English speaking, so that's why I really remove my shyness, okay. So don't worry, right or wrong doesn't matter, but I just practice every day, every time, okay. And I really remove my English, I really remove my shyness, okay. And as you can see, we are coming and go people, okay, as you can see, yeah, huge people, as you can see, this is Zoom, okay. And coming here train, and I know that train go to another station, we will go to another station, okay. And here a dog and he running, okay. So I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. And so every day just practice, every day just learning, okay. And every day just new new sentence making try, and every day just try I new vocabulary learn, and every day just try new area go. And as you can see, yeah, coming this is a train, okay. Actually, okay, this is a train, okay. Actually this is a public place, and this is a airport area, and this is a railway station, so that's why every time train come and go, okay. As you can see, and I hope you understand for me, so don't worry, don't shy, just practice, okay, because practice makes a man perfect. So thank you so much everyone watching this video and stay for me. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum. And as you can see here coming another brother, so tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.